Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making herb seasoned meatloaf. Alright guys, I'm starting out in a large bowl. I'm going to crack 2 eggs in there. Okay, now I'm going to put in a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. Okay, that's looking about good. A half a cup of ketchup. And guys, this here is a meatloaf that is few on ingredients, but it's going to really be good. Now I have some Pepperidge Farm seasoned, herb seasoned breadcrumbs. I'm going to add in about a cup and a half. And I'm just eyeballing everything here, guys. Okay, that looks about right. I'll go ahead and stir everything up. Now I have a medium onion I diced up. We're going to throw that in. And guys, Dexter's happy today because I'm not making chicken. We're having beef today, Dexter. Ground beef. Alright guys, now that I got that all stirred up, I'm going to add in roughly about 2 pounds of ground beef. Let me cut this plastic wrapper off of it. Dexter, what are you doing? Now I'm going to get in here with my hands, guys, and I'm just going to incorporate all of our stuff together with the beef. And you just want to mix it well. That way there you have the ingredients all mixed through your ground beef. Okay guys, now that I have that mixed together pretty good, I'm going to push that aside just for now. And I have a baking pan here. I'm just going to form this into 2 even meatloafs. You just want to form them as tight as you can get them so that they stay together while they bake. And they don't have to be perfect, guys, just as long as they hold together for you. Now what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to put this in a 350-degree oven uncovered for 1 hour. And then when I pull them out, I'm going to let them rest for about 10 minutes before I cut into them. That way they'll firm up and they'll slice easier for us. Alright guys, my meatloaf's done. I left it rest for that 10 minutes. Let's go ahead and cut into this, guys. You see it's done through. It's nice and moist. It's not falling apart. Alright guys, let's go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. Guys, I also went ahead and made mashed potatoes and gravy and some peas to go with this, and I put a little gravy over my meatloaf. Let me give this a try, guys. It's really good. Taste the flavor of the beef coming through. You taste the herb stuffing. It's nice and moist. That's really delicious, guys, and it's not hard at all. Alright, there you have it. Herb seasoned meatloaf. Give it a try. Thanks for watching, and until next time, I'll see ya.